India's manufacturing moment is here and now. For companies to leverage this and accelerate growth, faster Capex procurement and seamless project executions become critical. But across Capex projects, prolonged vendor searches, assessment delays and cumbersome execution management leads to extended project timelines and increased costs. But not anymore. With Venwiz, find your ideal Capex procurement partner. Scan our ever-growing dynamic vendor pool, which is continuously expanded based on client requirements and market intelligence. Assess vendors effectively with valuable insights. You can even list your needs, and our discovery module's sophisticated smart match algorithms with deep vendor intelligence will suggest you the ideal vendor matches. In cases where it's required, you can request for a detailed vendor analysis report. With Venwiz, streamline end-to-end vendor engagement. With our pre-PO management tool, get quotes, finalize RFQs, and release POs digitally in a transparent manner. With our post-PO management tool, monitor progress and keep your projects on track with enhanced vendor-client interaction. Find your ideal Capex partner and streamline vendor engagement. Optimize operations and slash timelines by up to 20%. Just like how our growing list of clients do. Harness deep vendor intelligence for effortless Capex procurement with Venwiz.